Cold open. Immerse yourself in nature's tranquility with a fishing rod in hand. Welcome to the top 5 Armenian fishing spots. First, we have Lake Sivan, the pearl of Armenia. Its deep blue waters are home to a unique trout species called ishkan. Next is the Akurian Reservoir, a haven for carp, crucian carp, and pike. Its serene setting is an angler's dream. Then there's the Arpa River. Known for its clear waters, it's a hotspot for trout fishing. Fourth, we journey to the Voratan River. Its rushing waters are teeming with brown trout and barbel. Lastly, we visit the Debed River. A site of natural beauty, it's home to various fish species. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a novice, these spots offer an unforgettable fishing experience. End of loop.